Good morning, dear hearts. Lesson 32, obviously continuing from yesterday's thought that I am not a victim of the world I see. And today, of course, is really the answer why I cannot be a victim, because I have invented the world I see. Everything is here about cause and effect. The effect is the world I see. The cause are my thoughts that have given rise to this. Remember, we learned earlier in a lesson about there's no such thing as idle thoughts, because every thought that I have will give rise. It will make or create on some level. I have made up the world I see. I have invented it. Now, if I can invent something, if I can make something, I can unmake it. I can decide that this is no longer what I am choosing to have as my experience. This is no longer the world I want to see. And that can happen as soon as I change my mind about what my goals are here. And realize again that I cannot really be a victim of a dream. When we are asleep at night and we wake up with the heart palpitating, we don't think that that was real. Well, this is really the same thing, except it's a waking dream. But I cannot be a victim of it because I have dreamt it. Sorry, I'm having a Les Mis moment. I dreamed the dream. Um, anyway, theater person. So now with this lesson, the practicing are two major practice periods during the day, but then throughout the day as well. But the interesting thing is that the practice periods tell us to look at both our inner world and our outer one, but to realize that they are actually the same. There's really no difference between what's going on in my head. It's only what's going on in my head I will see outside of myself. So I get to have the opportunity today to change those thoughts. So I change my experience. I've invented it. I cannot be the victim of it because I made it up. And as soon as I change my mind about it, my goals, what it is I choose to see, what I want this world to be for me and for everyone else. And that's an important part because it is the realization, again, there is no separation. We need to dismantle this thought of separation in so many ways. And one of them is the belief that whatever I experience in this world or whatever I think and I believe it's projected onto others, that it's not part of my experience. And that's not true. We are all experiencing the same things, and that is why we are to be in great gratitude for our brothers, because what we see them experiencing, they are doing it for us, but it has come from my thought. Okay, it's come from our thoughts. We see it outside. I change my thoughts. I not only change my experience, but I change the world and the experience that everyone else has. I have invented the world I see. And so I can change it. I find this to be a very empowering lesson, okay? And again, we are dismantling a thought system piece by piece, brick by brick, okay? We will get to our destination because it is assured. During the course of the day, which, these are the smaller practice periods, that during the course of the day, whenever we see something and we are having a reaction to it, we get to remind ourselves, I've invented that situation. As I see it, I have invented that situation. And because I've invented it, I can change it. So, and that's it for today. I hope this helped. I hope you are seeing, again, the connectiveness of all of this and the freedom that's coming to us through this lesson and all of these lessons. So this course. Hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, and be here tomorrow for kind of a favorite lesson. Namaste.